make a left here, yielding to other traffic and thinking about how the car facing me got here first. So even though we both had stop signs, they get to go first and then I go. As I approach the trail, I'm cautious for the runner and I look diagonal to make sure no one else is coming. And now I'm gonna head out into a busier part. Your driving test will take place in residential and business districts only. You won't have to go on the freeway for your test. So we just did a little neighborhood driving with important things like right and left turns, yielding to pedestrians, watching for trail crossings, and we even did pulling over to park. This is a place where it's important to note the no turn on red sign. Of course, you have to obey all traffic signs and signals during your test and always. So you would not make a right on red if it says no turn on red. In general on your test, don't feel like you have to rush and make a right on red. It's one test that hopefully you'll take once in a lifetime, and so you really want to be careful. I was noticing the cyclist passing on the right, and I wanted to make sure they passed by before I start my right turn. I did notice the light turning yellow, but I was already approaching the intersection, and remember I have 3 seconds, so it was appropriate for me to turn since the light just turned yellow. Next, I'm going to make a yield right turn, another kind of awkward intersection that the examiner is likely going to want to see you can manage. And your priority is on scanning for pedestrians, bikes, and cars, and then smoothly continuing to show that you understand that a yield turn is not a stop. It's something that you continue through as long as it's safe. And then at some point your examiner is going to say, make a left lane change or a right, depending on where you are, when it's safe. And when you make your lane change, you're going to make sure to always check the rear view mirror first to get the big view. Make sure you can see the headlights of the car that you want to change in front of if there's busier traffic. Of course, you're going to use your turn signal and follow up with your side mirror and blind spot. And the important thing is